Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download the Rondevo application on your Android device. So let's get started right away. In order to install the Rondevo application on your device, you will need to open up the iOS App Store or the Google Play Store depending on your device. Then just tap on the search box and type in Rondevo and start your search. Now once you find the Rondevo application, go ahead and tap on it and you will see the install button. Just tap on the install button and this will begin the download and installation of the Rondevo application on your device. Just wait for a while until the installation is completed, and then when you see the open button, you can tap on it to open up the application. And once the installation is done, you can open up the Rondevo application and then continue with signing up to your account or logging into your existing account. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install the Rondevo application on your Android device. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.